Hello students, welcome back to the new video. Today's topic is 10 lines on blacksmith. So it is very easy, let's start the video. A blacksmith is a person who works with hot metal. They make tools, horseshoes and other things from iron. Blacksmiths use a special furnace to heat the metal. They hammer and shape the metal into different forms. Blacksmiths are skilled workers who know how to work with fire. They make important things like gates, tools, and machinery parts. Blacksmiths wear protective gear like gloves and aprons. They use different tools like tongs and hammers to shape metal. Blacksmiths are very strong and good at their work. We can see blacksmiths working in villages and towns making useful things. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.